Hello everyone. In machine learning, the next project is crime against women in India. This project is related to the women, where we use some different types of column like rape, domestic violence, kidnap, and dowry. One more columns are there. So first you will have to install this library. As usual, I always use this library by forest the and import this. The second one is the from sklearn dot feature underscore extraction dot text import tf idf vectorizer. This is the math module. Uh, why I am using this module because in the in this data set there is the one column name is state, and there are lot of state are there. So I want to convert it into numeric form into array. So that's why I am using the tf idf. In labor encoder it not working in this type of data because there is huge data state. That's why it give the problem. So tf idf is two statistical method. The tf stand for term frequency and idf stand for inverse document frequency. The tf main work is the it count the total number of the time or total number of the word and in any data set or document. And then the inverse document frequency measure the how much information provide. So yeah, it count mostly it count the data set into vectorize, and all columns all word has on vector. So it mainly used for to convert the string to numerical value. So that's why I am using the tf-idf vectorizer. This is the two types of method, tf and vec. And then is a data set data frame, and then they give the path woman underscore crime dot csv. This data set I have you can download in my description box. I mention there, so you easily download it. So first we run, then this is the data set where the column name is unnamed, state, year, rape, kidnap and assault, dowry, death, assault on woman, assault on minor, the domestic violence, and witchcraft. So these are the column. Now shape. So this is the row and 10 columns. 736 is row and 10 columns. Now I am using the vectorize is a variable name where I passed both method tf idf vectorize, and I give the value. Minimum value is 1000, so you can give more than 1000 or less than 1000. Yeah. Then in x where I pass the vectorizer dot fit transform, where I pass the data frame name and then give the state column dot to array, because state have lot in state column there are many state like Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, and they so it convert into array. And y where I pass the df dot witchcraft. So if I run, so it look like this array format. And if I am using the y, so it's look like this. Now want to get the information. So these are the numeric state. So it gives the information about the Now see the columns, how much column are there. So these are the column name in this data set. Now check the duplicate. There is any duplicate values. If have that, it give the total number of duplicate values. So there is no any duplicate value. That's why it show the 0 and null value. So there is also no any null value. Now I want to drop the unnamed 0. This column is not usable, so I remove this. So df dot drop, where I pass the column name and axis E1 and in place equal 2. So it's working. Now check the column is dropped. So you can see that it dropped the column. First column is state. There is the state. The next one is using the correlation by using the heat map. So it gives the correlation. So these are the correlation. Now check the state unique value, how much the state unique value. So you can see that these are the state name. All are the state: Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana. These are Chandigarh, Daman and Haveli, Daman and Diu, Delhi, UT, Lakshadweep. These are the state name. Now count how much state are there. It show the so Arunachal Pradesh use 11 time, Karnataka also used 11 time, Meghalaya also used the 11. Then Daman and Deep is 10 time, Daman and Diu also 10 time. So it give count the value. Now unique value, there are 70 state are there in this data set. 70 state are there. Now see the using the group by function. So df group, where I pass the state name and then column name. This is also the state name is a column name, and rape also the column name, and give the sum, total sum how much. So you can see the A and S island, there is 84 case rape case are there, and other also there is 340. Then Andhra Pradesh is 1000 something. So it give the total sum of all state rape. Now check the year wise, then which year it rape conduct. So 2001 is 1500, 694 rapes. Total number of all state total number it give the 2002 में like 3 4. It give the all total of the. Now next one is the see the group by using the group by function, and use the visualization to. So these are the column name: year, rape, kidnap and assault. So it give also give the color symbol. Years is represent for the yellow, rape is orange, and kidnap and assault is um, green color. Dory death is red color. So you can say that these are the show the state wise. You can see the how much is a red, is a pink color is means rape. Then this is the light blue assault or movement. So this is the chart, bar chart, where I am using the bar chart. Okay, kind, where I pass the bar chart name, and X label where I pass the state, and Y label pass the rape, and title give the title. Then asterisk rotation is equal 90. Make it use for the give the name. Uh, it show the name in proper way. So that's why we use the. Now again next is the df dot group by is where I am using the column name state, year also state, and aggregate function. Then I see the kidnap and salt. This is also the column name and give the sum. So you can see the A and Island 2000 when May the two kidnap happened and 2002 is one. So these are the column name one by one is using the group by function. Now this is also I want to see in visualized using the box plot where I am using the column where I am pass the year and by is also give the column name kidnap and assault. So you can see is a 2000 2002 and 2012 2013 2020. So kidnap and assault. Where is the white? It means there is not. Where is blue line? Means there is the kidnap case. Next is also using the PLT dot figure where I pass the figure size is 12:6 and using the bar plot where I pass the title crime against women and give the year 2001 to 2020 show the data of 2001 to 2020 and X label where pass the year and Y label where you pass the total number of crime and then X rotate into 45. So it give the so you can see that this is the year wise then rape case is this 500 and kidnap and assault is 1000 dowry death is very less and then assault on women in also ratio is less than 1500 minor also domestic violence have above 2500 and witchcraft is very less. The next one is checked by the using the group by function df dot state year aggregate where dowry death how much the women's die by dowry death where it give the sum and give the sort show the value in sort value by dowry death and ascending is equal to false because ascending always is true by default is true. So it give the so Uttar Pradesh 2070 dowry death is ratio is 2524 2524 2016 2000. This is the Uttar Pradesh data. Now come next to the name Meghalaya 2009 to, there is no any like this dowry death. Same is want to see the by using the plot scatter plot. So where I pass the x value year and y I pass dowry death. These both are the column name and data where I pass the data frame name and then give the title. So you can see the 2000 2020 the ratio of the dowry death. So this is go to the above to 2000 then it give then ratio go down then again up then the like the next one is df dot group y state column name assault on woman dot sum and sorted value ascending equal to false. So it give the ascending equal false means it give the higher higher number of the position, which is the have higher number. So 8522 state Madhya Pradesh, where the assault on women. Uttar Pradesh, second number is Uttar Pradesh, third is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, like this. Now next is the year wise. I want to see the year wise, how in which year it happened. So 2001 is a 8922 there it show the state wise, and there it show the uh, year wise. In year wise 2020, this is happened in 89200, 2018, that these are all the. Now next is use the SNS count plot. It count the value how much the assault on the woman. So it show you by visualized. So this is the data assault on the woman. It means 10% is happened. The next one is a DF dot group by state domestic violence, and same count the value and sort value is ascending for. So domestic violence, it, West Bengal 17120, Rajasthan, second number is Rajasthan, then Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Daman and Haveli. So there is the domestic violence. And now see the domestic violence by year wise. So 2001 domestic violence happened 3, and then 3, 4 domestic violence in 3, 4, 11. It all like this. Now it show by the plot, where I'm using the box plot and give the column name domestic violence by year. So it show the year wise. You can see the it go the above to 2000. This is the year wise. The next is splitting the data, where I'm using the scalar model, and it's working. Train and testing, it also working. Extrain by train, where I pass the data and test size is 0.2 and random state is 0. Now see the shape of the train. So it show the after training data 5. This is the row and this is the column, and this is the totally row. It show the by train is show the row. Same X test and Y test. So after testing, it give the 182 rows and 42 column, then 148. Now next I am using the random forest classifier. It's working. This is the method. I have created the variable, then the random forest classifier. So it's working. Now fit the X train and Y train. Now this is the variable name, where I pass the method variable name RFC random forest classifier dot predict, and where I pass the X test and print the Y pre. variable names. So it show the 31, 36. This is the, it predict the data. Now check the accuracy and classification report and confusion matrix. So now accuracy, where I pass the extrend, and this is the method variable name dot predict, and where I pass the x train. So x train data after accuracy is show the 0.53 means 53 accuracy. And if same thing is I am using the x test, so, x test accuracy is 54 after testing. Now classification report, where I pass y test and y predict. It give the accuracy is 54, macro average give, and weight also. There is a 54 means x 54, this one the testing after testing it. Now check the training score. So training score is also 53. Print RFC. This is the variable where I have created when call the method and dot score, and where I pass the x train and y train. So it give the 53, and confusion matrix. So it give the 80. Sorry. So this is the confusion matrix where pass y test and y predict. After predicting the data, now I want to see the how it look. So using the plot, where I use the plot, give the plot size, and using the scatter plot, where x value, x variable I pass the y test, and y variable I pass the y predict. Both are is, this is the also variable name. So and x label pass the actual crime with the woman, and y label predict crime with woman, and this is the title and show. So you can check this, that it go after predicting that the label is go to the above to 35, actual versus predictive crime with is, it show the above to 35. So this is the project about the crime against the women. Thank you.